Hi everyone, this is Monica. Welcome to session number
10. Let us see what are the topics included in session 10. This session 10 is about settings part 1. In the settings part 1, what are general settings and security settings? Let us see our first topic, general settings. General settings helps you to edit the basic information which you have uploaded in your Facebook account. First, to go to general account settings, first we have to log in into our account. Open the browser, enter Facebook. Enter your mail ID, password and click on login option. Now click on login. Now once your account is open, click on the drop down arrow and select settings. Now directly your general account settings are opened. The general account settings has the following options: name. It shows your profile name, that is the name which you give for your Facebook account, and if you want to change it, click on edit. Here the first name and the last name which you gave can be changed. If you want to change it. If not, close it. The second option is username. It displays the username in a form of a URL. You can also edit this. Change the username if you want and click on save changes. The changes have been saved. And the next option is contact. Once you open this, it shows the details you are primarily connected with the Facebook. You can also add another email address or mobile number. Once you click on this add another email address or mobile number, here you can enter a new mail ID, or you can also add mobile number. Enter the number and a code will be sent to your newly added mobile number. Click on continue to get the text. Enter that code which you have received. After entering the code, click on confirm. You can also turn on the notifications which will be sent to your newly added mobile number or email ID, and also your privacy. Your phone number will be shared with public, friends or only me. Select your preferred privacy setting and click on save settings. And our next option is add account contact. It shows your current account mail ID, and to change your main email ID, click on change, or else if you don't want to change it, leave it as it is. Here there is a note saying that Facebook will use this email to send you marketing updates and notifications about ad accounts connected to your personal Facebook account. Updating this or changing this will change where you receive these notifications. And our next option is password. It shows the changes you made to your password and when you changed it or updated it. If you want to change it, you can also click here on the edit option. You can enter your current password, the new password which you want to change it, retype your new password, click on save changes. If you want to make any changes, make the changes. If not, click on cancel. And our next option we find in general account settings is networks. Actually, what does this network include? Networks you belong to would be listed in your network selections in general account settings. Like if you are using an email address linked to your business or a school, college or university, then you would be in their network. For now, here we don't have any networks. The last one is temperature. In this temperature column, you can choose the scale of temperature and save the changes. Click on edit. You can choose the scale Celsius or Fahrenheit, and whatever the changes you want to make it, select the option and click on save changes, or if you don't want to make any changes, click on cancel. Note that after all the options at the end, you find an option of download a copy of your Facebook data, which helps you to retrieve the data and it will be sent to the associated contact, mostly to your mail ID. Now we have seen what are the options included in general settings. Let us see what is our next topic. Next topic is security settings. Let us see what are the options included in security settings. Now, once your settings panel is open, click on security. And these are the options which are included in security settings. Now the first option is login alerts. The login alerts will help you to get an alert when anyone logs into your account from unrecognized device or a browser. Once you click on the edit, you find two options: to get notifications and not to get notifications. So when someone from an unrecognized device is logged in into your account, you want to get notifications, then click on get notifications. If not, select don't get notifications. Make the changes. And the next one is email address. Even in this also we find two options: to get the login alerts to your mail ID and not to get any email alerts. If you want to make any changes, select the required option and click on save changes. For security purpose, you must re-enter your password. After entering your password, click on submit. Now the changes has been made. Now our next option is login approvals. This setting will help you to improve your security by requiring a login approval code or security in addition to your password. Click on edit to see more options included in this. First option is two-factor authentication is disabled. to add an extra layer of security to prevent other people from logging into your account, maintain a login approval code. If you want to enable it, click on enable. By default it is disabled. And our next option is text messages. To use your phone as an extra layer of security to prevent other people from logging into your account. Your mobile numbers will be displayed and those are automatically enabled. To disable, click on disable. And the next one is security keys. It helps you to log in using a USB or NFC. And the next one is code generator. You can use a code generator in your Facebook mobile app to reset your password to generate login approval security code. You can set up a third party app to generate the code. You can enable it or disable it. By default it is disabled. And the last one is recovery codes. Use these codes when you don't have your phone with you, such as when you're traveling to some other places or whatever the reason may be. You can get the codes also. After making necessary changes, click an option of close. Our next one is app password. App passwords use special passwords to log in into your apps instead of using your Facebook password or login approval codes. You can generate app password by clicking on the generate app passwords. After making necessary changes, click on save changes or cancel it. The next one is public key, which helps you to manage an open PGP key on your Facebook profile and enable encrypted notification. You can also edit them as per your requirement. After making changes, click on save changes or else on cancel. Our next option is your trusted contacts. Your trusted contacts are friends who you choose can surely help you if you ever have troubling in accessing your account. Select a trusted contact by clicking on choose trusted contact. Your trusted contact should make sure it's you before giving you security code. Enter the code from your trusted contacts and then you will be able to access to your account. To begin, choose at least 3 to 5 friends that you can call for help if there is ever problem with your account. For security, we will notify any new contacts that you add. If you want to choose your trusted contacts, click on the choose trusted contact. If not, close it. After making changes, click on close. Our next option is recognized devices. It helps you to review which browser you have saved as ones you often use. Once you click on edit, you find the devices which are your recognized devices. You can remove them if necessary and save changes after making changes, or else click on cancel. Next option is when you are logged in. It helps you to review and manage where you are currently logged in into your Facebook account. And once you click on the edit option, you find an option to manage them. And if you notice any unfamiliar devices or location, click on end activity to end the session and close it. The next option we find in security settings is Profile picture login. It helps you to manage your profile picture login settings. It helps for picture login. Next time you log in on the browser, just click on the profile picture instead of typing password, and to activate this feature click on turn on. Our next option is legacy contact. A legacy contact is someone who you choose to manage your account after you pass away. They will be able to do things like a pin or post on your timeline, respond to your new friend request, update your profile picture. They won't post as you or see your messages. You will find a box as below to choose a friend. Now click on add to choose a friend who you want to add as your legacy contact. After selecting your friend, click on add. And if you don't want to have a Facebook account after you have passed away, you can choose a request to have your account permanently deleted instead of choosing a legacy contact. Click on request account deletion if you want to delete it, and after making changes click on close. And our last one is deactivate your account. The deactivating your account will disable your profile and remove your name and photo from the most of the things that you have shared on the Facebook. Some information may still be visible to others, such as your name in their friend list and messages that you have sent them. To deactivate, click on the option of deactivate your account if you want to deactivate it. If not, click on close. These are the security settings. Now, in the session 10 settings part 1, we have covered what are general account settings and what does it
Thank
include,
you for watching this
and
video.
security
Join me in the
settings.
next session on
11 for the topic on settings part 2 in Facebook. Please like and subscribe.